What's up everyone, my name is Rick and welcome to my channel. In this channel I talk about freelancing for Africans. Ways to make money online. It's not always you have to look for a job, apply for a job that pays you $50 a month, $100 a month. You can actually get that in a day or a week, however a level of success is. Freelancing has no limits and I talk about it on this channel. So if you want to learn more or hear more about freelancing, about this new possibility of generating income for yourself, then stay tuned, subscribe, like, and let's get straight into this video. Thank you very much. Upwork in 2023. Upwork hasn't made any crazy changes like Fiverr has. As you can see from my last video, I spoke a lot about Fiverr, but this video is just for Upwork. Upwork hasn't made that much changes. It's just the same thing. So all the my pros and cons videos for Upwork still stand, and all my cons from that video, the Upwork vs Fiverr video, they still stand. And just to remind you, the pros were it's easier to find jobs on Upwork for specific niches. You can just type something like article writing and you find article writing jobs. You have a chance to reduce that 20% fee that Upwork takes to 10% to even 5% at a certain point in time. So that's a huge pro. It's easier to compete for jobs because of the connect system. Even though there are many cons to that connect system, but the pros to that connect system, that it's easier to bid for jobs because only people who are serious about the jobs will bid for it, because it's going to cost them to actually bid for it. So that's actually a pro. And also hourly contracts are available on Upwork. So if someone hires you on an hourly contract, it's very likely that you're going to work for a long time. No one will need a task for 2 days and say, oh, I'll hire you per hour. They will just say fixed. I'll pay you this for this job. But hourly, every hour you get paid. If it's $10 an hour, every hour $10, boom. Second hour, $10. And it's a very, very nice way to make money. The cons still stand for Upwork. So here are the cons. Connect system. You literally pay to apply for jobs. When you join, you get a number of connects, which is good. So new freelancers, beginners will get a number of connects. But it's up to you to gauge the jobs that you feel you have a good chance of getting to spend that connect. Because when it's finished, you have to use your own money to buy more connects to bid for jobs. The second con is it's not like Fiverr that you have a gig and people will just enter your inbox. People in the former video were making comments that you're lying, the gig system is also on Upwork. It's not effective. I've been on Upwork for a while, 2 years, and I think once or twice that someone has entered my inbox through the gig system that they try to implement. It's nowhere near as effective as on Fiverr. So you can create a gig that I offer this, no one will enter your inbox. It's up to you to bid for jobs to get the jobs. That's pretty much it. So yeah, so you can't enter your inbox and your gig system isn't as effective on Upwork. So those are the cons for Upwork. But that being said, it is still over Fiverr now. Upwork 1, Fiverr 2, and third can be the rest of the freelancing platform. I found way much more success on Upwork than on Fiverr because of how the site is run, how it is. I have specific niches that I operate under. So if I'm looking for a job, I can specifically type the keywords of that niche and I will see all the jobs available. Then I can put an application and show evidence of the work I've done in that niche. It's so much easier to get exactly what you're looking for. You can type Ghana and you will find jobs of people looking for research about Ghana, people looking for articles about Ghana or recipes, someone to write recipes about Ghanaian dishes, all those things. You can go super specific and find jobs in that niche that people will not even look at. So you may even end up being like 1 out of 5 people competing for that job because you can go super niche specific. That's one thing I really love about Upwork. I use this funny analogy, for Upwork and Fiverr. Fiverr is like the girl, Upwork is like the man. Before I get cancelled, let me explain. For Fiverr, it's about creating your gig, making your profile beautiful, using keywords, SEO, and just waiting for someone to approach your inbox, especially now with this brief system. Buy requests are gone. So in terms of girls, Girls, you have to look beautiful, presentable, well-spoken, loyal, all those things that guys look out for. You have to have all those, you have to exude those things, and then the guys will approach you. Then out of the guys who approach you, you have to pick the one that is like, this one is closest to my spec, so I will settle on this one. That is the reality for girls, or most girls. So that's how Fiverr is. Look beautiful, make a profile beautiful, and hope that buyers come to you asking you that, would you work with me, please? And on Upwork, on the other hand, it's a bit different. You are the guy. The guy can actually specifically, if this is my spec, I will approach anyone who has my specific spec. I will get bounced 5 out of 10 times or whatever, but the 5 times that I'm not bounced, there is a chance for me to get a good job. So that is how Upwork is like the other guy. You can be super specific to choose what you want to apply for or what you don't want to apply for. So that's why Upwork is the guy, Fiverr is the girl. Upwork, if you may be bounced, you will be bounced lots of times. Like most of my job applications have been bounced, but when you're successful, you can hit it big time, like life-changing levels of big time. So that is how I compare the two, and Upwork in 2023 is pretty much the same as it was in 2022. I recommend joining Upwork now, but what I will advise you to do is be good at what you offer. Be good, have a good portfolio, have proven work experience, and then choose a specific niche. Look for jobs in that specific niche, apply very well, that's marketing your skills, and then you can find some success, some good success on Upwork. So that's it. We made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much if you made it to this point. If you have any questions, type it in the comment below. Thank you once again to all my 214 subscribers. Shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you once again. See you on the next one. Take care. Peace.